Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. My place, it's good morning. So, good morning from Philippines. I'm gonna show you what happened for the last week in my trading and what I'm preparing for the next week. So let's get straight into it without any talking, too much talking. I realize so many people talking just too much on YouTube. What happened last week? Last week I was in a loss about 4k, 3.5k, and I made it back up all to 100k. Let me actually get to my dashboard in Alpha Capital Group so you can see what's going on. So this is my dashboard. I can refresh this so you can see I'm not just screenshotting this, anything like that. And as you can see, the current balance is 99.99, and then the equity is 254. So we are back in positive, which is really nice. I like that. I don't know why. Oh, it's showing now. Okay, so this is basically the trades I did in October. You can see all of those. Today is 20. Oh my God, it's 20 of October. So this is the last week. So from 14 till 18, you can see this actually is not correct. Why is this not? Yeah, this is not correct. It's not updated. I actually had a gold. Maybe it's not updated yet. I had a gold position which was pretty big. It was like $1,500, and basically made up for all those losses from this trading week. So that was good. I wish I can show you. Actually, I'm gonna show you here on the screen somewhere here. A screen video of my balance and the trades I did last week. So there's a proof for you. But last week was pretty good. I thought I'm gonna get to the goal of 5k, but we had some hurdlers. I entered a position which I'm not supposed to. I had one loss which I was very aware of. I even had one position to it, and I lost it, not by my fault, but the trade just didn't work out. So it is what it is. I'm gonna show you what trade it actually was. This is the trade, Euro NZD. You can see here, let me go on a daily, why I entered. So this is the nice daily support zone. Let me actually make it nice and clear. And this is the trade. This is already prepared for next week. Ignore this one. But this is the trade I took. So if I go on 4-hour chart, you can see that we had a nice push up. We break the previous high. I didn't catch this move because it was just happened too fast. But then we came back, and when I saw we came back here, and then on 1-hour chart, I think it was 1-hour chart. Yes, it was. I missed a little bit the entry point, but it was still okay. You can see the nice bullish engulfing candle up. I was supposed to enter here, but I enter here, so it was a little bit too late, but it was still good. But then look what happened. Let's go on 4-hour. That's better to view. Since I entered what is this, Monday, and I hold this position until Thursday, and then it's just stopped me out. But now look at what happened on Friday or Thursday night. Actually, this position on 4-hour just went a little bit lower, and then we break back up. So this position is actually still good, and I'm interested to take this next week. So that's why I prepare this position here for the next week. So this was a loss, quite big, but it's okay. We're gonna get it back up. Euro GBP, I risk here very small amount. I think it's 0.1%. I saw this coming to the support zone here. So what happened when I saw this bullish candle on 1-hour? I think it was a 1-hour. Let me see. Yes, it was a 1-hour. I entered the position, and then it just stopped me out. So never mind. It is what it is. And then now we look like we're gonna go down. We're gonna go bearish. You can see now we changed to bearish. So I might actually sell next week. AUD JPY, I'm currently in. On the daily, we are bullish as well. On the 4-hour, we are bullish sort of as well. That's why I enter here. It was a nice bullish 4-hour candle, and then I enter here, and then now I was in a good profits. Nice, came back here to this area. I think what's gonna happen is we're gonna turn around on 30 minutes chart, and we're gonna just continue up. This trade's got huge potential because when JPY runs, they just runs. So what I'm thinking is this might go all the way to this resistance zone, which will be NZD USD. That was the last week, and then we lost this position. I don't even have the mark this here, so never mind. Euro AUD, I entered here. The reason being because this is the 4 hour, and then we broke below, and we broke below these previous highs. So I enter position on a 4 hour for short, because I'm thinking it's gonna bounce from this daily, and unfortunately it didn't. So I got stopped out. That's okay. And then we got GBP USD. We broke above the previous high, so we flipped bullish. Then I waited for retest, and then on 1 hour when I wanted to enter, I thought it's gonna go up, but there was a news, and look at this huge humongous candles just stopped me out. So it is what it is. That's okay. And then finally CAD JPY. This is what happened on CAD JPY. Same thing, I wanted to enter long, but then the news came and then just stopped me out completely. So it is what it is. That's okay. I'm ready for the next week. Actually, I'm gonna show you what is for next week in my trading plan, and then we're gonna go for a ride, for a coffee, and to show you around. So for the next week, there is quite a few trades I'm very interested in. There is 2 trades which I'm mainly interested, and there are those 2. GBP NZD. Yes, you can see head and shoulders, but since we broke up with these highs, I believe we're gonna bounce from here and continue up. It's got a huge potential. If you look at the daily, it can go all the way up here to this area, I believe. So it's when GBP NZD runs, they just run. Euro NZD, pretty much the same thing, because they are correlated, of course. But same thing, I can see the same thing. You can see already before I tried to enter it, didn't work out. We got Euro GBP. I'm gonna do sell. What I'm waiting for is to basically do something here on a 4 hour to flip bearish, and then I'm gonna sell. NZD USD. From here, I'm gonna do sell. So I'm waiting to come to this area, touch the EMA, and then sell. USD JPY. Potentially, I might be interested to for buys, but I'm not sure since I'm already in the AUD JPY. But I will see how that goes. There, I'll just got it for the sake. Euro AUD. This is a very nice trade. I can see this. You can see this nice bearish engulfing candlestick on the daily, which I believe we're gonna continue all the way down here. You can see this move I catched here, 127 actually. I catch a very nice move. Even it was against my trading strategy, but I just catch the move, so it's okay. So now we flip bullish again on the daily, on the 4 hour. I'm waiting to 4 hour flip bearish, and I'm gonna sell. GBP AUD, pretty much the same thing. This could be actually sooner ready than Euro AUD. I'm just waiting on 1 hour to break below the structure. That's why I've got this. That's why I've got this notification. I'm gonna wait for the bearish engulfing, and I'm gonna enter sell. And then lastly is EuroCAD, which is a sell as well. So you can see nicely bearish. So what I'm gonna waiting for now is to 4 hour flip bearish, and I'm gonna sell. So that's pretty much it. If you wanna copy these trades, be my guest, but I would suggest you to do your own analysis, not just copy trades from a guy on the internet, because you know, I can be wrong, and most of the time I'm wrong, but I can be wrong 6, 7, even 8 times, and I'm still in profit, believe it or not, because it's all about how you structure your risk and how much you're gonna lose. And so now we're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna take my dirt bike, I'm gonna take you with you, and then yeah, enjoy.
I'm done with my drink, so you're done. I'm gonna try.